Yeah, Gaza Nation. You can tell me what the hell are going in a dance hall? Eh? What go on in a dance hall? Right up, what I say, what I say. Mama asking you something straight up. What I say? No girl can complain at the cure house if she not run pussy get the ass out. What? The world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what go on, you know, carefully. Hey, franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. Hey, you know what go on now when I come to represent. Full effective, man. You know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, the man. Are the people's champion. What you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. I think, you know, the cure, you know, have to be careful, you know. Remember once beaten twice trial, you know. You see what I say? You can't nada for a brother upon them thing there, you know. You see me? You can't do no quick whip whop on them shit there. You see what I deal with? Be careful, cure. Because that way you see a push out and I come outside, you know, and people are talk about it. Yo, it never look good, it not sound good, it stink up the whole internet because everybody has smell it right about now. It depends on the tip of everybody's tongue. You see what I dealing? I don't know no joke thing, no lollipop thing about it. But let me tell you something. This, you know, I'm going to come out, you know, I see enough people run and a way. I don't want to feel like the cure alone involved in them things there. You see what I deal with? Nobody, no buy crutches like superstar. So let me tell you something, nobody watch even if him have him woman in yard and him have how much bitches out the road, him still a go deep in him pocket and take out him money and buy some. Watch, and another lollipop thing, because the cure, you know, I make you know, you know, how much him addicted to girl. You see what I deal with? And when foot a hype, you know, come out what they and talk some things, you know, I see some Rasta getting at them feelings all because them a Rasta. Let me tell you something. Even if you're a Rasta man, can't defend Rasta doing the wrong thing. You see what I deal with? So if you're a Rasta and you do the wrong thing, no matter true you're a Rasta, you feel like it right. Are you supposed to get no form of easy pass or whatever? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Wrong or wrong, my brethren. I don't know joke shit me I talk about, and the Rasta them a move loose, dog. The man them now hold the meds like all the meds used to hold and the discipline and the teaching and the doctrine. It nah spread, man. The love nah push out again, my brethren. You see what I dealing? Because one time them type of thing they were Jack here attack. I not really attack against him, you know. I just go off of what him a say, you know. The stuff them what him a talk about, you know, them thing there, you know, one time, you know, yo. Rasta live it, dog. Rasta not chat it, dog, and try to style it like, well, then a certain hype thing him a deal with. Rasta live it. You see what I deal with? A Asian deal. Furthermore, a Rasta make clocks popular. That's the first thing. You see what I deal with? A Rasta make clocks, car keys, suit, all of them shit, they're popular. Rasta do that. You see me? Gold and all them things, there's some big ring with lion head and a Rasta make them things they're popular. So I don't want to go like say, Rasta and a form of boogie yaga people. A long time Rasta stylistic. You see what I deal with? But Rasta not chat them things, the Rasta live it, my brethren. Rasta dress militancy. A militancy Rasta deal with, my brethren. Yes, so I deal with, but still hold the discipline within him own self and still push out the love is what I deal with and I share the doctrine that a whole heap of youth can capitalize on it and them shit there. I don't like the way old Jakira talk because him talk well then like some boasting business and well he talk like well then true you have your money now. and whatever, you don't care a damn about what you do. So certain things where you all talk about, them things they're not involved in a Rasta thing where you want to talk about your tattoo and your ears ring and all of them shit. The Rasta not really do. Respect. Rasta not really deal with them things, them, my brother. Them thing they are not a Rasta thing, you know. Rasta name no call upon them look up boogie yaga stuff there, you know. Where you hear the cure talk about, you know. Cure, you have to straighten up yourself, you know, my virgin. And even if you dress clean and nice, nobody not really respond to that. You live that. You not talk about it. You see what I do that and I go like say some luxurious thing you deal with. Rasta not talk about hype, my virgin. Rasta not talk about hype and Rasta not talk about vanity. Rasta live, you see me? And live itinerally. And I know a joke thing. And I know gimmicks business. I know that for sure. You see what I deal with? I don't know joke thing I deal with. No form of gimmicks thing around here. Rasta no live a muggle, my virgin. When I say Rasta live, itinerally. Because Rasta teach her the land, my virgin. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks, no inner it. You see what I deal with? A long time Rasta have them thing them and boast. A long time Rasta live off of the earth, my virgin. And tough financially. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks, no inner it. Rasta self-independent people. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks, no inner my game, my virgin. But the type of hype and the type of establishment where you want to show off that on a Rasta, my virgin. I don't know a Rasta like that. You know what I mean? A most fashion dread, you talk about. We don't know a Rasta like that, my virgin. When Rasta come up and behave like that. You know what I mean? Yeah, even if Rasta think them well done. The latest model or whatever. That's not where Rasta talk about. The first thing come out of Rasta mouth, I love my virgin. You see me? And you're going to get teaching, you're going to get doctrine. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks in it, you're going to learn a couple things before you even move from in front of the rest. Because when my translate, a big doctrine in my gear. For upgrade your knowledge. You see what I deal with? No joke, not in it, my virgin. No joke, not in it, you know. So these things will come out with all the girl and the voice note. You can't all say them hello. You going to say, well then, some respect in a brother. Hello, you going to say somebody wrong for a video without your knowledge. But when you check it out, to the type of argument to go on right there, so, it come like, they have to protect themselves right now because the Cura threatened them saying we broke them up and broke up all them and all them shit there. And the Cura say right now, you hear me? He must get back his money. The only way he make that road, he must get some pussy from the next one. So she have to come give him some pussy right now. Otherwise, you don't have to run back in papers. Because I don't know, joking thing. Well, enough man are going to laugh and skin up them teeth about that, but enough boy do get a lot, you know. Enough boy use them money and try to control girls. And when girls refuse, you know, them deal with might business, you know, and badness business, you know. That's what I deal with. And want back them money, you know. Boy even buy all clothes to girl and want to take it back from her. When find out she all a different man, all a slash it. Or she not deal with what him a deal with. Or him probably call her 2 times and she miss him call because she dep on a different flex and them shit. And boy take back them thing, dog. You know what I mean? But you don't know we are original, get and not talk, and we must get the pum pum when we come back. And another lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? No joke business, no inner it. Them thing there are some local picnic thing, my virgin. Them thing they played out a long time I not hear about them thing there, you know. Them thing there happened from when it was girlfriend and boyfriend business. Right now in a Jamaica, man not deal with girlfriend and boyfriend. It's either your catty or your woman or your man. You see what I deal with? I saw the thing set now. And I don't know more girlfriend and boyfriend business. Them shit they played out, my virgin. You see what I deal with? Or is either a little sidekick or whatever. You know what I mean? Because side girl get ratings now, you know, and side girl established right now, you know. You see what I deal with no gimmicks business no day and night. I just the truth, you know. You may not like it, but I just the truth. Shy girl a sting and a shock right now, you know. You see what I deal with? Wife you have to know what them are doing, you know. Side girl, them arm and dangerous, you know. You have to approach them with caution, you know. Because sometimes, you know, a man prefer slap up the side girl, you know, and make sure go on, you know, because he can't take the ningy in and ears, you know. Because sometimes, you know, the woman them in the house, you know, they kill the man them with their lip service, you know. That's where I deal with. And when time them put on rules and regulation for certain things, because control to the fullest them I deal with. Man not deal with them things. Woman, you have to make man free, you hear that? Because let me tell you something, no care where you can beat up yourself about and them shit there, now can control no man to the extent. Because you can't run him 24/7. And sometimes by you putting pressure upon a man and you just force him to go out there. And it got the same thing with woman too. Vice versa. People need space. You see what I deal with? You have to give people the benefit of the doubt until them give a reason not to. No more. You see what I deal with? But me I say, them things that were the cure did come out and I talk about. Me not like that. Because Rasta not deal with that type of thing the way I deal with. I love first come out of Rasta mouth and then the more tell you about the doctrine. You see me? I live. You see me? I live it. You see me? When I say Rasta live and live itinerally and I no joke thing. No gimmicks no inner it. Rasta wear the best, drink the best, smoke the best and eat the best. No joke no inner that. A Rasta that. Naturally, actually, and fracturally. That's why I deal about the type of hyping thing and them shit and them thing. Them thing they think when a Rasta not inner. Rasta not hype on them people, them my virgin. You know what I mean? I make me tell you something. What? You there about general? It look like say I know the weight. It look like I know the weight soon me I come from. Say I go on me Ella. Yo, let me tell you this. The type of argument where Jackie and the Ras in my brother. Jackie and the girl them in. What? The type of argument where Jackie and the girl them are all. My brother, it's not good for public ears. And it's not good for a man like Jackie for out of film situation where mother come out here. And furthermore, let me tell you something, Cure. The way you deal with the thing, you not act like a top gallus. You can't make girl fly down from Paris, you know what I mean? And then I deny you, and you are the Chuck Norris. It come like you never listen Melvis, you know what I mean? The man says she don't want a man for box and kick, you see me? Melvis want a man for make you feel romantic. That the artist and a gimmicks business. You see what I deal with? I want to take care, come like you don't know nothing about the girl business. We can pay for some girls plane ticket to make them fly down and fly come in our palace and then when crutches run, me and her in a malice. Come like something wrong with them people. What's wrong with these people? What the hell wrong with these people? Do you think me can pay for two sexy lots, buffaloes and gorgeous and fatty lots? Pay for them plane ticket, fly down from foreign, and fly in a my mansion. And then, are them look a fool vibes that your ear come out? Girl, not have time for even use her phone, my virgin. I want me to you, man. Supposed to be a nice time I go on. Supposed to be a niceness supposed to go on. Be a happiness and niceness and enjoyment. We want to find time for all of these shit. You know what I mean? What kind of shit is this? Yo, Cure, be careful, you know. Be careful, Cure. And I don't know, joke thing. Be careful. You know what I mean? Some people go on come deal with a certain type of way. I not deal with any type of way. You know? I make you know, be careful. That's what I deal with. Once beaten, twice trial. No lollipop thing, no inner it. No joke, no gimmicks business, no inner it. That's what I deal with. We not deal with lollipop thing round here. But me say the hype where you did there, hype and I talk about vanity and them shit them. Me say that no mix up with the Rasta. And I don't know gimmicks business. You know what I mean? And if a boy in a life, how me a chat that mean him a imposter. You sure me a deal with because Rasta no deal with them thing. The Rasta no hype on people, my brother. Me say Rasta live and live itinerally. And me say Rasta wear the best, eat the best, drink the best, smoke the best, and drive the best. A Rasta first bring BMW come to Jamaica and give all of the gangster them one in the ghetto community and call them bad man wagon. You see what I deal with? No lollipop thing in my game, no lollipop thing, no dare on it. But Rasta deal with love. And you will never hear Rasta and woman in another type of certain either vibes. Because love Rasta deal with. You see me straight out. No gimmicks in my game. A 10 star, the general, the choosing one. What? Gaza way I'm representing. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General.